It's Saturday, another episode of Project Vayner. A lot of things going on right now, and I'm not putting so much time into these episodes because I just came back from vacation like 2 weeks or three weeks ago, and right now I'm focusing a lot on getting new routines and to find create a lifestyle where I continue to develop and where I put off time for myself to learn new things, and trying to adjust and find good routines that are going to give me a result in the long run. Focusing a lot about that, and also a lot of things going on. There's a video coming up with me in a couple of weeks. I'll let you know when it's up. There is I'm going to write a text today that, together with another video that I've done, is going to go up on a website in the following weeks. And I filmed one thing here in the apartment also that I need to edit and put up, probably on my Instagram account, which also is changing right now, so I can put a screenshot right here from my Insta account, and you can see that I'm trying to get a kind of a new style, so it's not just every post are looking different. I'm trying to have something in common, and I will try to put more effort into those Instagram posts instead of just taking a quick photo with my cell phone and putting it up. Yeah, a lot of changes right now, so probably putting more time into these weekly vlog episodes later on in the upcoming episodes. So see you next week.